Give him or not. That's for him and his wife. You're gonna have to try and bring me an extra piece on the scrap. No. I mean the guy, my wife up. My little brother. He gonna put you guys on it.
Thank you.
I ain't seen none on that. You're welcome.
Babe, you could have just rolled with me and copped some feels.
Here.
Yeah, I mean.
So where do you want to
So you could have just rolled with me and copped some feels.
The VG always order the weight.
I don't need no helmet.
You want to put your head, your mask on? Or you want to stay there?
Well, no, that's my mask right here. That's so I don't get hepatitis A through Z on my head from this helmet.
You good. You good.
You know what I mean? I know they spray it down with Lysol, but Lysol don't stop hepatitis Z.
No.
Oh, yeah, damn.
You just got to have a little faith in God, okay?
Yeah, I got faith in God. But there's a bunch of niggas out here that got hepatitis that got faith in God, too. Faith in God and hepatitis A through Z ain't got shit to do with nothing, player. All that mean is a nigga with a dirty ass biscuit put this helmet on, man. Gonna put God and shit ain't got nothing to do with nothing, man. Nah, I mean, niggas had this helmet on, was sweating and this shit, man. I mean, niggas got faith in God and still got hepatitis and all kinds of other shit. Nigga got gingivitis. That don't mean he don't believe in God. I mean his gums fucked up. This helmet, man. This helmet been through the motherfucking Vietnam War, man. You think I was putting this motherfucker on my naked biscuit? Shit. I have a whole separate fucking head tomorrow. Grow up nigga got two heads. Shit sitting all out here and shit.